Unlock your creative potential with the Visual Arts Department at Truckee Meadows Community College. Whether you want to express yourself, pursue a degree, or prepare for a creative career, TMCC's Fine Arts program has you covered. Explore hands-on studio art classes in ceramics, drawing, painting, and more. Dive into art history and appreciation to understand the power of visual storytelling across cultures and time. Taught by practicing artists, these courses help you develop visual literacy, discover your unique style, and refine your artistic voice through studio work and critiques. With 2 Associate of Arts degrees, one in Fine Arts and another with an emphasis in art history, TMCC prepares you to transfer to a 4-year institution or enter creative careers like graphic design, art direction, curation, teaching, and more. Salaries vary among positions and earning potential grows with experience. Turn your passion into a profession and let your creativity shape your future when enrolling at TMCC.